this video, I'm going to talk about what you should do if your spouse is hiding assets. In many marriages, one spouse, who I refer to as the in-spouse, will pay all the monthly bills and manage the bank accounts, with the other spouse, the out-spouse, largely being excluded from information about the finances. I've seen financial deception firsthand as the more savvy and informed in-spouse tries to cover up cash, hide investments, and fabricate expenses and debts. If you're considering a divorce, or if you're already in the middle of one, especially if you are the out-spouse and you suspect your spouse has been hiding money or assets, you need to be on the lookout for financial deception because it can dramatically affect the assets you get, plus it could drastically reduce the alimony and child support you receive. Although hiding or failing to fully disclose all assets and liabilities is a crime because the financial disclosures are made under penalty of perjury, don't count on that to deter your soon-to-be ex-spouse. If you suspect that there are hidden or non-disclosed assets, especially if you are the out-spouse, here are the 10 most common things to be on the lookout for. Number 1, transferring assets to a secret account. Look back at your joint account statements to see if there were transfers to the other spouse's separate accounts. Number 2, transferring assets to a friend or family member. Sometimes a spouse will transfer money or property to a friend or family member ahead of the divorce so that they don't have to disclose those assets during the divorce, although they're actually supposed to. Number 3, overpaying the IRS or other tax agency. I've seen people overpay a tax payment so that after the divorce is over, they'll get a refund or credit for future tax debts. The number 4 thing to look out for is taking cash withdrawals on credit or debit cards. If someone takes cash advances over a course of several months, they could amass a nice little nest egg for themselves for after the divorce. Number 5, be on the lookout for accruing commissions or bonuses. If your spouse has a close relationship with their employer and they get paid bonuses or commissions, they could request that the commissions or bonuses be delayed until after the divorce. Number 6, turning down raises or promotions. Again, sometimes a spouse will ask their employer to delay a pay raise or promotion so as not to have to report it during the divorce. Number 7, forgetting that they have a retirement account or stock options. It's amazing how many spouses suddenly have memory loss about retirement accounts or stock options when they're getting divorced. Number 8, failing to invoice clients. If a spouse is self-employed, they have the ability to delay invoicing a customer until after the divorce. Although the accounts receivable should show the delayed invoices, they aren't always included. The number 9 thing to look out for is creating fake or inflated expenses. Again, with self-employed spouses, watch out for prepaid vendors, fake expenses, or adding friends or family members to the payroll or paying them as consultants in order to reduce profits. Number 10, unusual shopping sprees. Another way to reduce a business's profit is to go out and spend money on exotic trips or paying for personal items. If you suspect that your spouse is hiding assets, you may need to hire an accountant to check all of your financial documents and find out whether money or other assets have been hidden. I had a case recently where the husband suspected his wife of hiding money. We started making inquiries with several banks and found out that she had transferred about $60,000 from several joint accounts they had together to a separate account that she had opened in her name only. Remember that hiding assets almost always backfires. Obviously, you should not do such things because if you're caught, you'll be the one who looks bad in court. And judges favor honesty over any other detail in a divorce. In the case I was just talking about, the judge ordered the wife to pay almost $20,000 of husband's attorney's fees for the time we spent tracking down all of the non-disclosed accounts and then having to prove what the wife had done in court. I'm Rick Banks. If you're watching this anywhere besides on my blog at winyourdivorce.com, head on over there for a lot more information and free resources to help you with your divorce and shape your best possible future. That's winyourdivorce.com. If this video was helpful to you, please click the thumbs up button below. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll get all of my latest videos with more free divorce information. Finally, be sure to download the free gift mentioned below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.